flick a button and the light turns on instantly. But do you know that the electricity has to travel a distance of hundreds of miles before the bulb in your home illuminates? Distributing electricity to homes is conducted via a well-set-up transmission and distribution system. High-voltage towers and transmission lines are set up across the country. This is how high-voltage transmission lines are constructed and set up. Overhead power lines consist of three major components: towers, also known as pylons, transmission lines or wires, and the transmission route. Transmission towers used for carrying high-voltage electricity are generally made of steel and aluminum. The typical height of a pylon can range from about 49 feet to 180 feet. Height of the transmission tower depends upon the voltage of the current running through the wires hanging on them. 500 kilovolts towers are usually taller than the towers carrying 220 kilovolts of current. This is done to ensure a minimum safety distance between wires and any object that may traverse the ground underneath. Pylons are either erected in different sections on the site of installation, or fully made towers are transported using large helicopters that can serve as aerial cranes. Once the towers are erected, transmission wires are installed to carry the electricity. Generally, there are two types of power lines that make up the grid: distribution line and transmission line. Since extremely high voltage of current flows through transmission lines, the design of the wires is essential. Arcing and other dangers that are often accompanied with high voltage are carefully considered by the engineers designing the transmission wires. Thick transmission lines are enreeled and strung from tower to tower using a cable drum. It is ensured that the right amount of sag is present in the lines to prevent them from touching any object in the vicinity. After setting up the transmission lines, electricity is released from the power generation station. A step-down transformer is used to lower the voltage, and then the electricity is supplied to homes and factories.